Listen to Franklin Delano Roosevelt Jr.
I can remember campaigning in West Virginia with my father in 1932. Those were the days of Great Depression, the Hoover Depression. I see once again in my campaigning for Jack Kennedy the same creeping unemployment and the same economic problems being faced. My father had the heart and the understanding and the ability to help solve the problems of West Virginia and this country and to restore us to prosperity and to strength. Jack Kennedy has that same heart, that same understanding, and that same ability. He solved the economic problems of the state of Massachusetts. He can help solve the problems of West Virginia and of this country, and he can help restore prosperity to this state.
Senator Kennedy is picking up where FDR left off. Vote Kennedy May 10th.